Hello, we are starting up on another week, and the topic this week will be personal financial management. It's lesson 10. We just have a few more to go. We have lesson 11 and then 12 and then the conclusion week on lessons. So we are getting so close to the end. I can hardly believe it, and I hope you have enjoyed your experience so far in this class. And one thing I'm going to show you is just this week, for the lesson material and quiz, there's just some information. First, it has you read some information through this link. So whenever there's a blue wording, I'm sure you've figured out by now, if you click on there, it will take you to that site. So it wants you just to read through this page. And the page that it looks like this. So read that page. And optional is if you want to look to the right, there's other resources and links that you can explore. Then you also read, watch or listen to Elder Worthland's talk about earthly debts and heavenly debts, and then you have a next step is to read the pamphlet, One for the Money Guide to the Family Finance. The last thing is watching a Mormon message about being provident providers. So those are the things that you need to do before you take the quiz, and I just wanted to go through the application activity with you, because like usual, this can be the most time-consuming and sometimes confusing, or just need some clarification. We have what you're going to need to do is track your spendings for 3 consecutive days. So if you find that maybe you're going to do it for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week, and if you find that you didn't spend any money, then go back to the last 3 days that you did spend money. Maybe there's some rare case, or maybe you just didn't have a reason to spend money for a few days. Go back to when you did so you can actually do the assignment and not say not applicable. So what you'll do is need to click on this expense tracking sheet, and when you click on that, it will download to your computer, and then we all have, or you should have, free Microsoft Office, which has Excel, and so once you click on that, it'll download, and it downloaded to my desktop, so I can go ahead and open it, and it opened up in Excel. It says amount spent in the last 3 days, so I'm going to combine it. So I would suggest doing this early in the week, so that you have time to finish up and do the application activity and not wait until Saturday. So you'll just look and see, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, did I pay any utilities? Maybe I paid some on Monday and on Tuesday. I put the total right there. If I didn't have to pay any utilities in those 3 days, I would just put a 0. So you just go through and do that, and it will total it up at the bottom for you. So that's the spreadsheet. And then you'll need to then go use that as you answer questions in the application activity. And the next step is going to be going to this financial calculator page. And all you need to do is explore at least 3 of the calculators. So even if you think, you know what, I know what I do for finances, I'm good, I still want you to go in and explore at least 3. So look at the link when you click on the financial calculator. I had already opened this, let me go there. It will show you these blue wording. These are all the different calculators that you can go to. So it's really interesting. Retirement, maybe you're younger and don't think that that's something you need to think about, but it doesn't hurt to start now. It's really important to start even now when we don't think it's needed. And so you'll click there and it'll take you to a calculator that you can explore and play around with a little bit. So I hope you find that to be useful. I love them, and like it says here, based on your interest, explore at least 3 links. Enter actual or hypothetical financial information. So that way, even if maybe you don't have exact data, or right now you're not in a job that allows you to figure some of the numbers, I want you just to play around and do some hypothetical situations to see what you can learn from the calculators. Then you'll go ahead and answer the questions on the application activity. So that is all that I have. That I have for today. I don't know why it froze on that page. But I hope you have a wonderful week. And I know for a lot of you, your SMART goals in the past have been based on finances and wanting to live within your means and get a budget going. And so this is a wonderful week to dive in and to get to know the material and learn a lot. I have a lot of students that like to do this with their spouse or with their family as they work together in making sure that we have that self-reliance when it comes to finances, which can bring great freedom. And so I hope you find a lot of applicable information, and as you have questions, reach out and let me know. I'm happy to help, and I want to help. So have a great week, and we will check in with you next week. Bye.